In this video, I'll show you how to share a Facebook page post to your personal profile step by step. Sharing a page post to your profile is a great way to help more people see your content and engage with it. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Facebook page that contains the post you want to share. Find the post, then tap the Share button below it. From the sharing options, select Share to Newsfeed or Share to your profile, depending on your app version. If you'd like, add a personal message or caption to introduce the post to your friends and followers. Before publishing, choose the audience for your shared post, such as public, friends, or another available privacy option. Review everything to make sure it looks correct. Then tap Post or Share Now. The page post will now appear on your personal profile with a link back to the original post on the Facebook page. If you don't see the Share option, the page owner may have restricted sharing for that particular post. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.